Canton Tower. This iconic 600-meter-tall tower is a must-see, especially at night when it's illuminated with dazzling lights. You can go up to observation decks for panoramic city views, or even try the bubble tram, a Ferris wheel on the top, or a skywalk for the adventurous. Experience the breathtaking grandeur of downtown Guangzhou from a stunning 4K aerial perspective. Soar over iconic landmarks in Ultra HD. Pearl River Night Cruise. Experience Guangzhou's stunning skyline from the water by taking a night cruise along the Pearl River. You'll glide past illuminated landmarks, including the Canton Tower and various bridges. Ersha Island, once known as Napier Island, is a unique urban retreat in Guangzhou's Yueshou district. More than just a high-end residential area with apartment complexes and the American International School of Guangzhou Elementary Campus, it's a thriving hub for culture, art, and recreation. The island is home to the prestigious Guangdong Museum of Art and the architecturally striking Shanghai Concert Hall, making it a prime destination for art and music lovers. It also features the Guangzhou Overseas Chinese Museum. For sports enthusiasts, Ersha boasts a significant sports training base with facilities like the Guangdong Badminton Stadium, alongside the expansive Ershadeo Sports Park offering football, basketball, and extensive green spaces perfect for running and cycling. With its high greening rate, parks, and riverside art areas, Ersha Island provides a serene, sophisticated escape within the bustling city, increasingly accessible by the upcoming Guangzhou Metro Line 12. Guangzhou's Yueshou District, the heart of the city. Guangzhou's Yueshou District is the city's historical, cultural, and political core, with roots stretching back over 2 millennia to the Nanyue Kingdom. It perfectly blends ancient heritage with modern urban life. This district is home to iconic landmarks like Yueshou Park, featuring the 5 rams sculpture, Guangzhou's emblem, and the historic Shanghai Tower, Guangzhou Museum. You'll also find the fascinating museum of the Western Han Dynasty Mausoleum of the Nanyue King, the serene temple of the 6 banyan trees, the Grand Sacred Heart Cathedral, and the ancient Huaixing Mosque, showcasing its rich religious and architectural diversity. The vibrant Beijing Road pedestrian street offers a unique shopping experience where modern stores sit atop visible ancient road layers. The people of Guangzhou, diverse, pragmatic, and dynamic. Guangzhou, one of China's most populous cities, is home to a diverse and dynamic population. While predominantly Han Chinese, particularly Cantonese speakers, the city embraces a significant influx of migrants from across China and a notable international community, especially in areas like Xiaobei. Residents are often described as pragmatic, down-to-earth, and entrepreneurial, reflecting the city's long history as a trading hub. They enjoy a high quality of life with excellent infrastructure, abundant culinary delights, Cantonese cuisine is paramount, and a generally relaxed, inclusive atmosphere for a major metropolis. This blend of local tradition and global influence shapes a unique and vibrant urban lifestyle.